Hey, I'm Chris, and this is Mike. We're not just neighbors, we're the two dads who brought you City Bonfires.
But today our story isn't just about us. Today we're sharing how our journey aligns with the brand that's bringing families together in the great outdoors for over a century, Coleman.
Just like us, Coleman started with a simple idea in a small workshop. Their journey began with the invention of a gas-powered lamp that lit up the first night football game west of the Mississippi.
And just like them, we started small, right in Chris's garage, turning an idea into something that could bring light and warmth to families gathering together.
Our shared mission? To create safe, fun, and memorable experiences, no matter where you are.
That's why we've teamed up to bring you something special, the perfect blend of tradition and innovation.
Introducing our latest collaboration, the new line of Coleman grills and fire pits.
It's more than just grilling. It's about creating moments that turn into memories. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a night under the stars, it's all about spending quality time with the ones you love.
So grab your marshmallows and join us by the fire, or the grill.
Bring your own bonfire, bring your own grill. Let's make every gathering a little brighter and a lot more fun.